Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how to change the date and time format on your GC Touch panel. So process is pretty simple. You can change the time from 12 hours to 24 or in reverse. And then the date format, it can be month, or month, day, year, or day, month, year in the format. So I will go ahead and go in. We will change it to either option, show you how it's going to show on the screen. It's pretty simple setup, and either your installer code or master code can be used to access that section. All right, so we have the GC Touch panel. First thing, of course, system is disarmed. Now we have our existing formats right here, so month, day, year, and then we are currently on 24-hour time. So what we'll do, if we want to adjust this, so we'll press settings, enter either your master code or the installer code. We will do the installer code 1561. Okay, after this, we're going to go to equipment management, and then first option right there, date and time. Okay, so we have the time format, like we saw on the front. Ours currently is 24 hours. We'll go ahead and change that to 12. And then, I'd rather keep it this way, but just to show how it changes, we'll go to day, month, year, when it was month, day, year. And with this, it saves automatically. So we will go back to the home screen, and there you go. Day, month, year. And then we are now on 12-hour time. I'm just going to do one more adjustment. So equipment, date and time. I'm going to change that back to month, day, year, home. Okay, and there we go, month, day, year. And we still have our 12-hour time because I didn't change it back to 24. The date and time itself picks up automatically when you're connected to the alarm.com server, but you can adjust how it is formatted. Okay, so that is how you change the date and time format on the GC Touch panel. We changed it to both 24-hour and 12-hour time format, as well as the month, day, year, and day, month, year formats as well. If you did like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out. Our phone number is 888-818-7728. You can reach us by email at support@alarmgrid.com. And if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a live chat feature there as well, so feel free to reach out with any of those. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.